Hi guys, it's me Ritali. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing extremely fine. So today we are on our way to Coorg, and in Coorg we are going to Madikeri in specific. So Coorg is total 270 km from Bangalore from our house, and so far we have already covered more than 120 km. We are almost reaching Mysore. This is the view of sunrise. So घर से हम 4 o'clock निकले थे और अभी तक हम ड्राइव ही कर रहे थे. तो सनराइज व्यू देखने के लिए यहाँ पे हम गाड़ी साइड करके रखे हैं टू एंजॉय दिस सनराइज व्यू. एंड हियर वी आर एंजॉइंग घर से लाया हुआ चाय विथ सम केक. तो सनराइज व्यू के साथ चाय, घर का चाय, मज़ा ही कुछ अलग है. सो लेट मी एंजॉय द चाय. डन विद आवर फर्स्ट पिट स्टॉप. जो बैंगलोर से मैसूर का रोड है ये अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब है. ख़राब इन द सेंस काफ़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, तो रोड पे डाइवर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसीलिए हमें काफ़ी टाइम लग गया. Second pit stop for breakfast. So Madikeri is just 60 km from this place. We were just passing by this road and we saw this food truck. We thought to have our breakfast here, and yeah, Dilip got his breakfast, idli, sambar, and I have ordered for pepper masala dosa. So here we are at our first destination in Coorg, that is Haringa Backwater View. So we have our resort booked in Madikeri, and the resort check-in time is 1 p.m. But it's just 10 a.m. now. So we thought we'll visit some places on our way to Madikeri. So this is our first place. So this is a very beautiful location, but the place looking really messy. You need to come inside 2.5 km from the main road, and here ये लेक के सामने ही एक होम स्टे है. So I can see there are some people staying over here, and I can see some homestays or resort are just beside to the water, backwater. So here we have checked in Woodstock Villa Resort. So there are a lot of villas. We have this Sandalwood 102 villas allocated to us. So I will give you a quick room tour here. So come with me. And here in outside, here we have sitting arrangement. And let's go inside the room. So as I mentioned, it's a villa. So it's double stories villa. So ऊपर भी एक बेड है और नीचे भी एक बेड है. And the room is looking quite spacious. So it's like a kid's bed, or if you are with your family, 2 member can sleep in the down and 2 member can easily sleep here. I know it's quite big for both of us, but I kind of like this villas. Hey guys, so we took rest for some time and had lunch in this resort in our room. आज ही हम ड्राइव करके बैंगलोर से आए थे, तो आज हम कोई भी पैक स्केड्यूल रखना नहीं चाहते थे. इट्स लाइक मोर लाइक अ चिल डे इन कूर्ग. सो आज हम रिलैक्स करना चाहते हैं. वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो सम नियर बाई व्यू पॉइंट टू एंजॉय द सनसेट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट we'll chill in this resort only because बहुत सुंदर रिजॉर्ट है. Next we are at Raja Seat to enjoy sunset, and I can see there are a lot of vehicle outside of the Raja Seat. So we'll try our best to maintain social distancing. If not possible, then we'll come back. So yeah, let's go. Nobody else, nobody else, that particular place is called Raja Seat, and Raja Seat is famous for sunset. So I can see अभी से लोग बैठ गए हैं sunset देखने के लिए. and नीचे काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ है, you can see. तो हम नीचे नहीं गए हैं, यहाँ पे ऊपर है. and we are trying to fly our drone to capture the view because the view is so clear and looking so beautiful. Nobody else, Raja Set and enjoyed a beautiful sunset. It was quite crowded but we tried our best to maintain social distancing. Raja Set के side में एक टॉय ट्रेन भी है but due to COVID-19 that is closed for now. बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ पे थे because it's in the center of the city, center of the Madikeri. But I hope you enjoyed the drone shot and the time lapse. Hey guys, so I am done with today and right now I am editing the Ganalu fall vlog. I hope by the time I will upload the Coorg vlog 1, you might have already enjoyed this vlog. If not, then go check that out. So after coming back from Raja Set, we enjoyed some amazing coffee at Big Cup Coffee Shop, which is just beside to this resort. And for dinner, we had dinner in this resort. So yeah, we are completely done with today. It was kind of a chill day in Coorg. With that, I am ending this vlog right here, and tomorrow morning I will start a fresh vlog and we have plan of sightseeing for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, like this video, share this video and comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed yet. I will see you guys in the second part of Coorg vlog. Till then, bye bye.